Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through a little bit on what he's doing here, and basically he's looking for outliers. Okay, so like we did on the weekend, you do graphs, you go to chart builder, and I am going to move my chart builder over here so you guys can see. We're going to click on histogram, and we're going to move this histogram in here, and we are going to just do day one. So I'm going to put day one right here, and I'm going to click OK. And then you should get a histogram just like Andy's, and you notice. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through the example that Andy uses so to show you how to find your outlier. So the very first thing he does, which is what you would do with your data, is you're going to go to graphs, you're going to go to chart builder, and you're going to do histograms. So I'm just going to reset this. Okay, so you're going to select your histogram, you're going to move your histogram into the gallery, and you're going to do day one. And we're going to put day one there, and we're going to click OK. And so now we notice that we have one data point right over here, which is a long way out. So we want to know what data point that is. So one of the other things you can do is you can go back to graphs, you can go to chart builder, and you can do a box plot. And we just have one variable, so we're going to move this into here. And we're going to click OK. Scroll down, this tells me here 611 is the data point. That's not the value, that's the data point. So if I go back to my data view and I select this icon, and I can do 611, and I can go there. And it tells me in day one that I have a data point of 20.02. So instead of 20.02, it's probably supposed to be 2.02. So we're going to do that, and we're going to run a histogram again and see what our graph looks like. So in this case, go back to histogram, pull that in, and click OK. And now we've got a normal looking histogram.